Hello everyone. Welcome to English Arcade. In this video, we will learn part 1 of classified advertisements. Friends, the following topics will be covered in this video. We will learn what are advertisements, difference between display and classified ads, types of classified ads, how to write classified ads, that is the format, and we look at some solved examples for better understanding. An advertisement is a powerful tool to promote products, services, and sales. It is a public notice or announcement which is meant to attract a target group. It is sent on a public platform by print media or electronic media. These ads are published in newspapers, magazines, and are even put on digital platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, etc. There are two types of advertisements: classified advertisements and display or commercial advertisements. Let's have a look at some ads. Here's one, and then there are two more. Can you see a difference between these two types of advertisements? Yes, you've got it right. The first one is large, bright, and very attractive, and the second two are smaller and have got a lot of written content in them. So the first type of ad that we saw, the Coca-Cola ad, was a typical example of a display or a commercial advertisement. These advertisements are used by organizations. They are used for promotion or sale of products. They can be of any size or color. They contain different fonts, photographs, drawings, and other information. They occupy a lot of space and are much more expensive in comparison to classified advertisements. The second type of advertisements we saw in the video are an example of classified advertisements. Classified advertisements are written for general public. They are termed classified because they are grouped into categories according to their subject matter. They are usually very brief and are written in a simple and concise way using only essential words and phrases. They obviously occupy less space and are economical and simple. So the first advertisement is an example of a display or a commercial advertisement, and the second two are examples of classified advertisements. So friends, this topic is a part of our curriculum, and marks are awarded on the basis of the format, which is the box and the title, the content, which is the body of the ad, and the expression. So we need to be very careful with grammatical accuracy and spellings. Let's look at the important features of classified advertisements. Classified advertisements are to be placed in a box. The word limit is 50 words. We have to clearly state the category right on top. Use only short phrases, words, and abbreviations. Avoid using complete sentences. Use of articles, prepositions, and conjunctions can be avoided. No illustrations or drawings are to be used. We need to give all necessary details using commas and end with contact information. There are many categories of classified ads. The most popular ones are to-let ads, for sale of property ads, for sale of vehicle ads, accommodation wanted ads, situation vacant ads, situation wanted ads, and lost and found advertisements. Please note the key points of a well-written to-let ad. Begin with to-let or available for rent. Mention the type of accommodation, number of bedrooms, bathrooms, etc. Give a brief description of the interiors. Mention about electricity, water supply, and security. Mention if there is a market, mall, metro station, school, or hospital nearby. Talk about the rent expected and conclude with contact information. We have learned how to write 3 categories of classified advertisements in this video. Let us deepen our understanding of the topic by attempting this question. You have recently purchased a new flat in Chandigarh. As you have decided to give it on rent, draft a suitable advertisement in not more than 50 words to be published in the local daily. Invent all the necessary details. Friends, try to answer this question and write your answers in the description box. I will be looking forward to your responses. Let us refresh the important points to remember while writing classified advertisements. Classified advertisements are to be placed in a box. The word limit is 50 words. Clearly state the category right on top. Use short phrases, words, and abbreviations. Do not use sentences. Articles, prepositions, and conjunctions can be avoided. Give all necessary details using commas and conclude with the contact information. Friends, we will learn how to write some more categories of classified advertisements in the next video. The next video, Classified Advertisement Part 2, will focus on accommodation wanted ads, situation vacant ads, situation wanted ads, and lost and found ads. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it useful, kindly like and subscribe to my channel.